everyone. Today we're going to learn baby bird. Cheep, baby bird. I see the baby bird before. Once there a baby bird. The baby bird had small beaks. She has small legs. She has small wings. She had very small. She was very small, but she was warm and happy. Something was happening. They will grow, so they will pop out here. The baby bird began to grow. Oh my, said the baby bird. My beak is getting stronger. My leg is getting longer. My wing is getting too bigger too. But my grandma's had my chickens, but my grandma killed them. I don't want anyone to kill my little cutie, but I'm just wishing any chance. The baby bird grew more and more. Oh man, The baby bird grew more and more. The baby bird said, "Look at me. My beak is getting stronger, a lot stronger. My leg is getting longer, lots and longer. My wing is getting bigger, lots of bigger. This beak is too small for me." Uh-oh, it's getting loose. Well, I didn't see anything with the legs and everything. The bird can be growing every time. Ouch! So hard every time I never see it. Ouch! Said the baby bird. I'm too big for this space. My legs are too long. My wings are too big. What can I do? I know what I can do, said the baby bird. I can peck with my beak. The baby bird pecked and pecked, but she did not stop. Crack, crack, crack. The baby bird got out of the baby bird was free. Now the baby bird said, "Now I have long legs I can hop. Now my big wings I can flap. Now I have lots of space," but this one is lots of space. "Have a bug," said Mother Bird. "But I have a question for you. Why do baby birds call mommy to lay the baby bird dinner all the day?" "Oh, because the baby bird was still hungry. She wants to eat, to grow some more. So that's why the mommy birds need to find bugs." But see you later. Bye.